Well, now to this. The father of the accused Apalachee High School shooter went before a judge today for a motions hearing in Barrow County as his trial date nears. Colin Gray is accused of providing the weapon used by his son, Colt Gray, in the shooting at Apalachee High School. Of course, Colt Gray is the accused shooter here. That shooting took place last September, leaving 2 teachers and 2 students dead. Colin Gray is facing a total of 29 charges, including murder in the 2nd degree and cruelty to children in the 2nd degree. 11 Alive's Molly Oak was in the courtroom this morning and has more.
Today, a defense attorney tells me this is likely the last time Colin Gray will sit in front of a judge before next year's trial date. Today, the focus was on a couple of different law enforcement interviews and if they can be used as evidence. Colin Gray walked in this morning in an orange and white striped Barrow County jail jumpsuit. On the stand, 2 witnesses. The first, a GBI agent that interviewed Gray the afternoon of the shooting outside his home. She says Gray showed her his phone before turning it over to her so they could get information off it.
So he showed me text messages that he had sent and received from his son, Colt Gray. He also showed me emails that were in reference to obtaining counseling services and communication about counseling for Colt Gray.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
The second witness interviewed Gray in May of 2023. We have the body camera footage of that interaction that started as a FBI tip alleging Colt Gray, who was 13 years old at the time, made a threat to shoot up an unspecified school over a gaming chat platform. The defense says it plans to argue whether the consent Gray gave to the interviews was actually consensual.
Did the defendant appear to be under the influence of any alcohol or drugs?
Not to my recollection.
Okay. Did he appear lucid and able to understand the questions you asked of him?
Yes.
The prosecution seemed to work to make clear that it was voluntary.
Was he free to leave?
Yes.
The judge didn't make any decisions today, but closed by saying they're on track for a February 9th trial. Reporting in Barrow County, Molly Oak, 11 Alive News.